I'm going to show you how to use this book tracker. Here we have charts above, total books, like how many books you have on your database, status, with how many completed, reading, and not started, the average rating, this is overall, and also the star rating below, and the total pages read. So how many pages you have read, and then the top 5 genres read. So this is automatic. Actually, all the data here are all automatic based on the data on your tracker. And then the books read per month, and we also have here also the clear book view. So I will discuss this later on. What's the purpose of this button? And then we have here the filters here. So if we want to filter by genre, by status, and by rating, we have here number, cover, title, author, genre, the date purchased or book added, the start date, finish date, and the pages. This is the total pages of the book, and the current page you are on, and the status of the reading, and the progress, and the number or the percent, the rating. This is data validation, so you have to select like 1 up to 5, so it depends on how much rating you want to put that on the book. And the notes format, so here in digital age we have ebook. So aside from physical book, we have ebook and audiobook, so you can select which format of that book you are reading, and the information of the book like ISBN, the source where you purchase that book, the price, this is in dollar, and the language. Here we have the cover page, so I have added this one because we're going to use that later on our overview. So this is how to insert the cover. For example, this one has no cover yet, so we need to search for the book cover on Google. So you can simply highlight this two and then go to Google and then search that one and select the image you want to put on that book. So let's say this one. This is from Goodreads, so simply right click this one and then save image as. So be sure the format is in JPEG, PNG, WebP is not working. You can verify that one by simply identifying the extension name. So this one is JPEG, so this one will work. So we will close this tab and then click the cell where you want to input the cover image. Once selected, go to insert and then image, insert image in cell, and then since this one is recently downloaded, so we can just do the shortcut like clicking the download icon, and then we will drag this here, and after dragging, then the image will be inserted or added. Then type the title, the author, select the genre. Here in genre, this is auto-populated from this genre list. So let's say the genre is not present here. So you can just simply update or add a new genre here. Let's say sample genre. When you check or select the genre list, you will see the genre is added here automatically. That's how you add genre. And then you can enter the date here. You can type, or if you're using a desktop, simply double click the cell and then the pop-up calendar shows. So this, let's say January 2, and then you started reading January 3. If you already finished reading the book, so you can input the date here. If not, so let's say the status is not started or currently reading, so simply delete the finish date. And then let's say so you are reading, you are currently at 130th page of the books, and then the status is reading. So let's say we have finished reading the book January 6. As you notice, the progress is in 41%. So this is based on the cell, so be sure not to touch this one. I will explain this one. 30% below is red, the 60% below is yellow, and the 61% and above is green. So let's say we already have finished reading the book. So we are on currently 320th page. So you enter the number here, then you'll see the progress bar change or the color change. And then let's say the Harry Potter book is good. So we rated it like 5. As you notice, the average rating changes. Also, the pages read change. And then this top 5 genres change is depending on the genre here. Also, the stars here also change. Like, for example, if you select 4, then 4 stars will show here. And then you enter notes here, format of the book. This one is like physical, ebook, or audiobook. And then another information about the book. You can add up to like 1000 rows here. So let's say the current wage is 320. So this is, we will change this one to completed. As you notice, the status here also change. This button will clear all the contents here. During the copying stage of this tracker, you'll notice that there's a message that this tracker has app script. So that's app script is for this button. When you click this button, a random script message appears and you need to authorize this for the app script to work here in this tracker. So you just click OK, go to advanced, and then go to book tracker Google Sheet, then continue. Notice that the contents are cleared. So this one is useful because you don't need to delete the data one by one. This process is one, like you will do this authorization once. So next time you use this tracker, no need to authorize again and again. So I will undo this one. All the data restored, and then when we click the button again, no need authorization pop-ups occur. That's one time only. So we will undo this one. We are already done in this sheet. So since looking through every rows or every details of the book is so like difficult, I have created a book overview here, the book overview sheet. This is simply a dashboard where you can select the book title. After selecting, it will retrieve all the data like who is the author, the rating, the status, if this is completed, reading, or not started, and then the progress, the percentage, and then use date that you started reading the book, the total pages, the current page, and the pages left, and then the notes that you entered on the note column or the field, and then the image here, and then the format, the ISBN, price, the language, and the source where you purchased that book, also the genre. So if you want to purchase this tracker, I'll put the link below on the description. If you really like using this book tracker, you can simply rate, like give a 5-star rating, then leave a review if you want. That's all for now, and see you in the next one.